It's kind of like CSI. Except instead of dead bodies, it's a different kind of crime.
We certainly found several samples a week, or several waste piles a week that weren't being cleaned up.
The perpetrators? Negligent pet owners leaving a trail of evidence.
Sometimes we thought we had a very good idea, or someone would report that a fellow resident had left, their dog had left a pile behind, and they were pretty sure. We would call or send a letter, and that dog owner would say, prove it.
So Barbara Kansky, the manager of this Braintree, Massachusetts condominium, did. She found a lab in Tennessee that specializes in canine DNA testing. After swabbing a dog's mouth for cheek cell samples and collecting a fecal specimen, Kansky can send them off for analysis. And voila! Within a week or two, she knows the identity of the offender and its human accomplice. The idea for such a service came from real-life frustration.
And one day, one of our scientists was living in an apartment at the time, and she was walking her dog and stepped in a pile of poop at her apartment. And she came into work and said, you know, we work at this animal genetics lab. We have all this equipment. Why don't we do something about this?
If busting Fido's poo seems far-fetched, Biopet says sales in the U.S. and abroad are climbing. As for this Massachusetts community...
Now, you don't really have to worry about dog poop. You can walk where you want. The grass is now ours again. We don't have to worry about it. And that's just a great thing.
Case closed. Jill Craig, Associated Press.